Using 75% of water, will it form? If this is the first time you are seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that anytime I post amazing video, you'll be among the first to be notified. I watched some video on YouTube seeing people making soap with high volume of water, and they said the soap will form. It will take longer time before it forms. So I decided to try it out by using 75% of water in my soap recipe. The ingredient that we are going to use for this production is palm kernel oil 550 grams, caustic soda 96 grams, water 412 grams, perfume 31 grams. So what I'm doing now, I'm mixing the caustic soda with the water, and after mixing it, I've set it aside for it to cool down before using it. The oil that we are using for this production is palm kernel oil, 550 grams of oil. And the caustic soda we are using is 69 grams. So the water we are using is 412 grams. It's 412 grams. Let's see if it will form or not. So the lye solution has cooled down. Then I pour it into the oil and stir. It's looking as if it's going to form. You can see the face. It's coming out nice. But I'm noticing something by the side, as if the water is too much. Like the water is trying to cover the soap. But let me keep stirring. Let me see the result, if it will form or not. If you are interested in knowing how to make bath soap at home, make sure you watch some of my videos so that you can be able to be making your own soap at home at ease. So I'm still stirring it. You can see it's like the water is taking over the solution, but I'm still getting a good trace. It's time to add perfume. I'm using 31 grams of perfume here so that the solution will smell nice. So I'm stirring it together. You can see the water surrounding the soap batter. but I have to stir for a longer time. Let me see if the traces of water will disappear. But as long as I stir, it's like the water is taking over the soap batter. Let me pour the soap batter into the mold and let's see if it will form. So pour it into the mold. I noticed that the water is too much and this cannot form at all. You can see it, the water is too much. I have to reduce it. So what I will do now is that I'll try to drain the water from the soap batter, then see if it will form. I don't think this soap will form with this amount of water inside. That's why I have to drain the water so that the soap will be able to form. But even if the soap form, I don't think it will be that strong. But when I watched the video, the woman said the soap will form, but it will take longer time. But the way I see this, I don't think it will form at all. Unless I have to drain the water, then try it. Keep watching because the end part will amaze you. I have to drain the water completely. Before I will start adding the soap butter into the soap mold. So I finished draining the water. It's time to add the soap butter into the soap mold. I use my spatula to dress the soap. You can see that it's a lot better now, but still yet it will form, but I'm not sure if it will be strong. But make sure you watch to the end so that you will see the final result. I want to thank some of my viewers that have been asking me, when will you post? When will you post new video? It has been a while I posted last. Just that I've been busy with work and other things. But I appreciate you. And it's because of you I'm making this video so that you will not make this mistake of using over water for in your soap recipe. Then make sure you watch my next video that will be dropping. That will teach you how to calculate your soap recipe and your water. so that your soap will come out well. After adding the soap butter into the soap mold, we allow it to dry for 12 hours before unmolding it. So I'm just cleaning up the table. You can see the soap butter. I see some water on it. But let's see how it will come out. If you have watched this video to this extent, I appreciate you. I say thank you for being my viewer, for watching this video to this extent. I want to tell you that the next video I'll post will completely teach you how to make your own soap at home. This is the water that I drained from the soap. So this after 12 hours. Let's unmold the soap and see how it looks. You can see the soap from the soap mold. You can see it's not that smooth. But let's unmold it and see how strong it is. You can see the thing really formed, but it's not that strong. That means you have to leave it for a longer time. Normally we leave the soap for 3 weeks for it to dry, but this one can take more than 2 months before it will dry. You can see that the soap is not strong.